Hi, right now I'm gonna show you how to just walk through my game real fast. And it's a game, well, it's supposed to be about studying for finals. For finals, I made mine about my English final one because I'm doing okay in my English class. And I made it primarily about Animal Farm because that's our last major book that we read. And he said, and I already asked him, I checked everything. That's gonna take up a large portion of it. Our questions about Animal Farm. But as you can see, right there, that was the first teleport door. Let me just restart. In the Metaphors, the only person who cares about Gregor is his sister. And again, the reason why I'm kind of like I'm not obviously go through these in the Animal opponent is Napoleon. Uh, this game is kind of frustrating sometimes. No, but again, as you can see, I kind of like know all the answers to everything because I obviously I wrote everything. I wrote all the questions. Uh, I wrote all the questions and I kind of play this game a lot because I wanted to make sure these doors even work. I want to make sure these doors even work, that they spawned at like the right positions, that there were enough of them in the room to even get a worthwhile study out of it. Alright, so there we have just beaten the first level. Alright, let's go to the second level. We got this. But yeah, it hurts when you get like a good streak and then you just like die. Now again, the original like version of this game was intentionally just designed to be just hard. The anvils fell a lot faster. The player was a little bit slower. I can't really, and your jumping distance was slightly reduced. Plus, there were more enemy types. But it was one level though, so that you can look at that however you want. It was just in general more challenging, but since I had to incorporate the moving doors, obviously slowed down the game a lot. I slowed down the FPS. I slowed down the movement speed of both the moving platforms. I slowed down the movement speed of the fireballs. I just slowed everything down just so you can have some time to read these questions. Like, who started the idea of the snowball? Snowball. I mean, who started the idea of the windmill? Snowball. And again, it still has a challenge. It still has enough of a challenging fact. It still has enough challenge, both from the questions and from both from the questions and from uh, both from the questions and from, of course, the enemies and the actual, just in general challenge of getting up this room anyway. All right. At the end of the story, the pigs play cards with humans. That is true. All right. Let's beat this next level, or just beat this level and final level. Now this is a little bit of a trick question. Did Snowball die? Because in the book, Napoleon, who's the main leader, tells us that Napoleon does die, but it is heavily implied that he is lying because Snowball is a little bit of a scapegoat, I guess. That he's blamed for everything that's going on with the issues from the farm, right? So if you obviously read the book, you would know that. So that's just to make sure. Because obviously this is supposed to be just review for the actual story. And I need to hit this. I forgot I have to hit the thing to get up there. False. Okay, yeah, that one doesn't feel good. Now as you can see, because I've like played this game heavily, I can go through it pretty fast. But if you like this first time playing this game, you need to get used to everything. You need to figure out what the layout is. And then you should again still be pretty well, but it won't take you like what is this at? My recording's at 4 minutes right now. 4 minutes, almost five. Yeah, it would definitely take you a lot longer. Alright, false. Wait, what? Am I crazy? That was the right answer. Okay, see there? I just lost at my own game. Okay, yeah. Alright. Stay still once you go through the door. Stay still once you go through the door. We're good. We're not good. I hate myself. But I'm not even gonna lie. It's incredible I speedrun this in about. I'm gonna shoot for 6 minutes. Boxers enter the battle of cowshed. That is true. That was right. That's. Oh, I know what happened. So it says the anvils are totally RNG based. Sometimes they fall like right when you teleport. It's a really low chance of happening. When it does happen, it's like, it doesn't feel good. And that time that was just my own stupidity because I didn't go through the door slowly. Alright. I'm done. Yeah, see again, stuff like this, like, kinda a little upsetting sometimes. Till you learn that you have to go slowly, and then as soon as you get through that door, you gotta be ready to answer more questions and not do that. Just don't do that in general. Do not take that example. Alright, I got this. This is the run. That's not the run. Okay, this is the run. Now, if you guys, or if anybody's watched this and they think I'm bad, you can ask some of the other people in my class about how long it took them to beat this game, and I just got the question wrong. I specifically this guy named Alex, dude. He knows all about this game. Most because he can't beat it, no matter what he says. Alright, let's shoot for 8 minutes here. This is a run. Stay focused, stay focused, stay focused. False. Ooh, that's not feel good, but I'm still in it. False. Oh, that was a true answer. See, yeah, that was my fault. See, that's why you gotta study. That might just answer a question too. I don't know. Okay, let's shoot for 8:30. So that means one more run. I got this. Okay, that's not it. Alright. Still shooting for 8:30, so that's about 10 seconds. True. Oh, that feels good. Alright, gents, ladies and gentlemen, I think this might be the run. Snowball was Mrs. Jones' spy. See, this is another instance where, like, the book tries to trick you because it implies heavily. That's. Okay, gotta keep it down a little bit. Alright, but that's where Napoleon says, that yes, he is a spy, but it's really implied that Napoleon's really paranoid as the leader. And he's just doing that because, again, he needs the scapegoat. He needs a reason. He needs somebody to blame all this things that's going on with the farm. The reason why he puts more labor on everybody is because of, because of Snowball, because he does all these bad things. That made. Alright, we got this. We're not going to make this a 12-minute video. Alright. Yeah, that's where the frustration in this game kind of comes in. Oh, that was true? Oh, this game duped me too. Oh, I know what happened there. That was my fault. See, this is set to go to the next room. Alright, but I just beat the game essentially. The You're a Loser screen, I hit it and I won. I just need to real quickly change that. But that is my game. I hope you like it, and I hope you could use it to study.